In this first intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a woman is seen walking onto someone else's property and is promptly confronted by the homeowner. As the encounter unfolds, unusual and unexpected actions take place, leaving viewers curious about the motivations behind her presence.
I know. I made a mistake. Because if you go back in the house, you're going to be dead. No, not that. Okay. Oof. My ass is just burned. I mean, it just hurts. Yeah, I know. I don't know what to say. Oh, God. It hurts. I know. Hi, cutie pie. How are you? Oh. Hi. I guess not. I don't know. You can go home. Good talking happens for me. I shouldn't do it. No. No, I'm not gonna do it. No, because you've been waiting for something. I know.
Can I help you?
No, it's okay. Because they were getting probably a lot of different things.
What?
They were getting, those dogs are very, the dogs are not so good.
Okay.
I just want to make sure we have little kids with the dog.
Okay.
All right.
In this captivating nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a mysterious phenomenon resembling a falling star is captured streaking across the sky in a neighborhood. The striking visual prompts intrigue and wonder, as residents ponder the nature of the unusual event. In this tense nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a woman and her child are seen outside their home when suddenly, the sound of gunshots fills the air. The terrifying noise sends both the mother and child into a state of fear. In this harrowing Ring doorbell footage, a woman is seen walking home from work at night when she is suddenly attacked by a man attempting to kidnap her. The shocking scene escalates as he strikes her with a gun, but fortunately, she manages to escape from his grasp.
You're just gonna have to shoot me because I'm not gonna get in the car with you. He held the gun up to my chest and he said, "Get in the car, bitch." Because I knew it would just all be over. I mean, it was just gonna get way worse from there.
In this unsettling nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a guy is seen pressing someone's doorbell repeatedly, claiming that his package was delivered to the house but that he couldn't find it. His persistent behavior raises suspicions, as viewers are left to wonder about his true intentions.
We'll be right there.
Excuse me, how you doing? My food was dropped off here, and it's not here no more. Huh? No, this can hear. They can talk to us. Huh. And they were just sitting right here. So how you doing? My food just came to this apartment and it's not here no more. My food just came here and it's not here no more.
I'm at 87, bro. It's A1.
No, this is 7-8, sir. Your address is 7-8. This is your doorbell. Okay? This is the same doorbell.
Man, I didn't get no food.
My food was here and it's not here no more.
I got no food, man.
So it's him.
Luckily, his girlfriend steps in and stops him before it escalates, definitely a wild scene.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a homeowner confronts an intruder who is actively looking for a way to break into doors within an apartment complex. The recording captures the moment of confrontation, highlighting the audacity of the intruder and the homeowner's bravery in standing up against potential crime.
Así, quédate de mi puerta, no toques mi puerta porque tú no vives aquí. Si tú no quieres un balazo, te llamo a la policía.
I'm so confused. I'm sorry.
Porque hay un libre cabrón y mira, es tarde, it's late and I got a bell.
I don't think
Open my door, una open my door, for pop mama huevo.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a strange guy is seen standing right in front of someone's door, pressing the doorbell and claiming that his AirPods are inside the house. However, his true intentions remain shrouded in darkness, leaving the homeowner and viewers questioning what he really wants.
If this is a recording, I was running like along up there, and then my right AirPod fell out of my ear when I was running.
In this unsettling broad daylight Ring doorbell footage, a masked individual is seen claiming to be a delivery man, yet he has no packages or identifiable items with him. The homeowner wisely chooses to remain inside, prioritizing safety and vigilance, as no one knows the true intentions of this suspicious visitor.
Yeah, hi, this is Amazon again. Looks like you got a few more packages addressed to your neighbor. I was curious if you're going to claim that they belong to your backyard. So we'll follow up on that in the police report. And you have the balls to open the door, settle in person.
In this charming nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a fox is seen quietly creeping around someone's yard, likely in search of food. The graceful movements of the fox highlight the beauty of wildlife as it navigates suburban spaces. In this dramatic nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a large bear is seen wandering around someone's home, searching for prey. The imposing presence of the bear captures the tension of the moment as it explores the area, reminding viewers of the wild creatures that can encroach on residential neighborhoods. In this alarming nighttime Ring doorbell footage, two individuals are caught stealthily stealing an expensive item parked outside someone's house. The recording captures their quiet movements as they quickly make off with the stolen goods, underscoring the risks of leaving valuables unattended. In this intriguing nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen approaching someone's door with a shovel in hand, urgently asking the homeowner to call the police. His disheveled appearance raises questions about whether he has encountered trouble with a group of individuals or if there might be other intentions at play.
Call the police, man. Call the police. Asking about 20. Oh, so you.
In this dramatic Ring doorbell footage, a heavy storm is captured wreaking havoc in the neighborhood. The powerful winds shake objects, uproot debris, and create a scene of chaos as nature unleashes its fury. In this relatable Ring doorbell footage, a neighbor is seen pressing her neighbor's doorbell, politely requesting that they reduce the noise coming from their house during the late hours of the night.
Yeah, neighbor, dude, that's enough with the music in the backyard. Yeah, you better or I'm gonna call the police. Yeah, that is too much. I work as a nurse. I have to be at work at 7 a.m. That means I have to be awake at 5:30. Yeah, please do or I'm calling the police. I'm not doing this again with you people.
After making her point, she eventually walks away.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.